Evening, people. Well, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, well. Right. Oh, I've just donated blood. Oh, plasma at the blood bank. Oh, I think it's time to head down to have a meal at the New York Cafe. So, nice rainy day out here, so New York for my lunch. Alright, I'll talk to you when we get in there. Alright, what should we have here? Oh, that chili last night, we won't do that again. Melbourne coffee chicken here. Let's go to the Rocket Bell. Sorry about this coughing. Total 34. But it's real New York, I want you to tip. So welcome to New York. That's close as I'm going to get to it. You gotta love the service, don't you? Talk to a machine. Talk to a machine and then get asked to tip the machine. Really? You're tipping a computer. And they got the music playing. Hopefully we can get rid of that music before I put this up on YouTube. Stand over here, get a view of the kitchen. Well, the kitchen is flat out doing nothing. Garbage bin on display for everybody. This is not a food review, this is just Jack being a bit of a whinger. But you wait till I get to Sydney in a couple of weeks or 7 days or whatever it is. What did I order? Rockabilly burger. Beef patties, American cheese, smoked bacon, smoky barbecue sauce, and milk buns. Oh. Could try and do a bit more reviving if in New York, couldn't they? One Eiffel Tower. One sign up there saying New York Minute. Alright, folks. Look, I can stand a trip to New York. Alright, you know me now? We'll put it all in. Yes, please. I'm having it here, thanks.
That's for you. Enjoy.
Thank you. What do you think, people?
Not the little, like...
Yeah, we're sitting here to get away from that family.
I didn't really like that one. It's just a little bit. It was
Oh,
a lot of cooler.
let's see if you can see that. I'll get the top out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that. Right. Get comfortable. Alright, I'm not going to put you through watching me eat. I will let you go back to having peace and quiet. Ciao. Drop doc. Bye doc.